financial institutions can pose risks as dangerous as those that led the United States to establish a full framework of tools for dealing with banks. The proposed resolution authority would allow the government to provide financial assistance to make loans to an institution, to purchase its obligations or assets, to assume or guarantee its liabilities, and purchase an equity interest. The U.S. government, as conservator or receiver, would have additional powers to sell or transfer the assets or liabilities of the institution in question, to renegotiate or repudiate the institution's contracts, and prevent certain financial contracts with the institution from being terminated on account of conservatorship or receivership.
Was failing, and the Secretary of the Treasury and the Chairman of the Federal Reserve.
My reaction upon becoming aware of these specific payments was that, notwithstanding the business purposes that might be served by this action, it was highly inappropriate to pay substantial bonuses to employees of a division that had been the primary source of AIG's collapse. I asked that the AIG FP payments be stopped, but was informed that they were mandated by contracts agreed to before the government's intervention. I then asked that suit be filed to prevent the payments. Legal staff counseled against this action on the grounds that Connecticut law provides for substantial punitive damages if the suit would fail. Legal action could thus have the perverse effect of doubling or tripling the financial benefits to the AIG FP employees.
Sir, no,
Would have
please.
been far greater.
No, did the people who took out, I'm asking the questions. Did the people who took out insurance with AIG to insure their retirement plans get reimbursed 100% so they suffered very little loss? Yes or no?
It depends on the nature of those specific contracts. It depends on the nature of those contracts. But what the critical thing is, the damage to the average American
No,
pension
you did
fund.
not answer the question.
Make one point.
If you give me a yes or no,
The
not one of you three can give me a yes on that answer, or no.
Because it's a poorly posed question.
Well, then it's poorly written in your statements. The question is very simple. Maybe I should make a statement that American people had to bail out AIG so that they could honor the insurance plans with people who bought insurance on their retirement plans. But most Americans still lost 40 to 50% of their retirement plans.
If we had not made that action, they would have lost 70%.
I don't believe that I need to or have to or should keep my mouth shut about anything just because I'm working for AIG. I'm one of those people that takes pride in what they do, or at least tries to, and I do not take pride, unfortunately, lately, in working for AIG.
People make a case that, oh gosh, you know, if we don't give them bonuses, we got to retain these folks because otherwise they'll go someplace else. Well, where are they going to go? They're going to go to Lehman Brothers? Forget about it. They got nowhere to go. There's no Wall Street. It doesn't exist anymore. It's down in D.C.